Hello everyone, today we will let you know how to fill Germany tourist business visa application form. First of all, please type VFS Germany on Google and select the website www.vfs-germany.co.in. You can see many embassy region options. Select your nearest embassy region. Now you can see in left side of your screen there is option all about of your visa. Select on it. Select your term of visa, like short-term visa, long-term, or whatever you want. We will select a short-term visa. Now select your purpose to visit in Germany. Now you see in your right side of screen visa form. Click on it and select online visa application form. Click on new application. Now you see Germany visa application. So let's start to fill the form. First of all, enter your family name and name at birth. If you have any, otherwise leave it blank. After that, write your first name and then enter your date of birth, place of birth, and country of birth where you born. And then fill your gender, male or female. After that, fill your marital status, your current nationality, and your original nationality. Now you can see the option like, do you wish to exercise your right to freedom of movement? If you want, you can write yes, otherwise leave it blank. Now select your occupation and your company name and telephone number. And if you are a student, then write your name and telephone number of educational establishment. Now fill details of your company like street, house number, other information like postal address, town, city, country. Now come to contact column. Fill your contact details like house number, postal address, country, telephone number, and email ID. Next column is documents. Write travel documents, ordinary passport. If you have anything else, you can select it. Write your passport number or what documents you select. You can write the number of that documents. Now write date of issue of your passport and till valid date of your passport. Now fill issue state of your passport and fill issued and RPO and issued places. Now go to a biometric data. If you previously visited in Germany, click it yes, otherwise leave it blank. Now go to travel data column. Fill the main purpose of your journey, like tourism, business, etc. Enter your member state of first entry and main travel destination. And select the number of entries. Select your arrival date of Germany and intended date of Germany, means from what date to what date you want to stay in Germany. After that, leave entry permit column blank. Now go to reference. Select your type of reference. Now fill the details of your reference, like address, contact person, telephone number, and email ID. Now go to Assumption of Cost. Select your assumption and come to Means of Support. Select your options. If you select others, then specify it. After that, click on Continue and download it. Congratulations! Your form is ready to submit. Thank you for watching our video.
Thank you for watching this video. We have hundreds of videos for different countries on visa application on our channel. Do you know many people make big mistakes in filing their visa application forms, which leads to visa rejection? Don't worry, we're here to assist you. If any country visa application form you feel is not there, then don't worry, comment in the comment box. We'll create it. We have many other videos related to travel which will help the traveler. Don't wait, my friends. Hurry, subscribe our channel now and click the bell icon if you want the instant updates. And also share this video on your WhatsApp groups with your friends.